Hi guys, this is Masha32. How are you doing? And welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe my channel for more vlogs like this. So after many days, we are going to a good ride. So we are going to Kondapochama Reservior Lake. So we are heading there today. So me and my group are just heading there. So feeling pretty much excited, guys. And today we were like 10 to 15 members. So and and this ride is still going. So far so good. Damn cornering, guys. Actually, I love the cornering, and at the same time, I'm a little scared of cornering. It's got thrilling for me. So guys, I'm actually going to this place for a second time. Uh, Actually, when I went to this place for first time, it was really amazing and mind-boggling. Like we went to the main spot of this place, so we enjoyed a lot. That time we were like 15 to 20 members. Uh, so we enjoyed that place a lot. And so guys, as you're seeing this place at our left, that lake. Uh, Actually, I have been here for 2-3 times. Uh, it's also a good place to visit. We actually visited last time, pretty much long ago, and it was really a good place to visit in Hyderabad. And I took some photos and videos, but not that much. And so let's see today how it goes, and let's get ready. It's been pretty long thinking that I should go to this place, Kondapochama Reservior. Like it's been so long thinking to go, and finally we are going to that place. Um, as well as it's my favorite road. Like this a good highway to ride hard, but you have to ride safe at any cost.
何？お前はもう死んでいる。
Damn, it was cool, man. It was like Panama to beast mode. It was just a second to save everything. Well, thank God. So, guys, this is all our lineup. We had we are in a just halt and taking some reels and videos.
వచ్చింది అసలైన ఐస్ క్రీమ్ ఆర్డర్ ఐస్ క్రీమ్ సాయి ఐస్ క్రీమ్ సాయి ఐస్ క్రీమ్ వన్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ వన్ ఐస్ క్రీమ్ వన్ ఐస్ క్రీమ్ వన్ ఐస్ క్రీమ్ చైనా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకొని ఐస్ క్రీమ్ తీసుకోండి ఐటీ రెసిషన్ లో జాబ్ కోవిడ్ ఐస్ క్రీమ్ బ్లాగర్ Sir, what do you do for living? वीडियो वायरल वाला भैया हम सब लोग पहले वही चलाते थे वो छोड़ के ये करेंगे बेटे इंस्पिरेशन ब्लॉग बेटे क्या है तो बताओ ना सबको मैं लेके आता हूं कौन थोड़ी है आपके पीछे अरे विजय
And it was really a good day, and it was really good ride to us. And unfortunately, the policemen over there did not allow anyone to enter the main place where we were standing. That was really unfortunate. Actually, I thought to record photos and videos over in that place with my bike and me. So that was really unfortunate. The police people did not allow us. So that was really unfortunate. So so we have to find other place, other good place to do photos and videos. Let's see. So that's it for today, guys, and thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Please do like, comment, share, and please subscribe my channel for more vlogs like this with Arun 4. Ride safe and spread love and peace. Thank you.